Okay, so in this video, we're going to display the statistics, okay, for this setup scores. Okay, so let us count how many values belong in our data set. So I'm just going to put a label here, n, or small letter n, to denote the sample size. So this is just a label. You can type anything here. And then at the right side is where I'm going to put the real count of the values, the real sample size. So I'm going to use the count function. Then I'm going to select the range of the scores using the mouse. Okay. Then close parenthesis. Then enter. So you see that we have 55 scores. Then I'm going to determine the mean or the average. Okay, so let us place here the label mean is equal to. Okay, and then at the right side is the actual mean. So I'm going to use the average function. So average, open parenthesis. Then I'm going to highlight the range of scores, close parenthesis, and then enter. Then let us determine the standard deviation. SD is equal to, then at the right side is equal to. Let us use the formula STDEV to calculate the standard deviation, of a sample. Now, you will notice that you have STDEV-A, another formula, STDEV-P, STDEV-PA. So, to calculate the standard deviation of the sample, we simply use the first version of the formula, STDEV. And let us highlight the range, close parenthesis, and then enter. Okay? How about if we want to calculate the coefficient of variation? So, the coefficient of variation is equal to the standard deviation. So, let us click the standard deviation. So, it is located in cell N4 divided by the mean located at cell N3. Okay, so enter. So there you go. We have the basic or the common statistics. Okay, let us right align the labels. And then if you want to trim the following values to decimal digits. Okay, so let us do that. Okay, so there you go. Okay, now there are also times that you might want to know how to compute the standard deviation, for example, manually. Okay, manually. That is, you're going to arrange the scores, the following scores in a column. Okay, and then we can compute for the standard deviation manually using the formulas that were discussed in our lectures. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is to copy the following values. Or copy the original values in a column. So I'm using the wheel on my mouse to scroll up and down. So let us shift this downward. I'm going to move this downward. Okay, so I'm going to label this as X. So I'm going to center the label. Then I'm going to calculate the mean. Okay, so let us put this align. Okay, so I'm going to calculate the mean. So the mean is I'm going to put a label first. So the mean is equal to the average of all the values. So enter. So there you go. So the mean is 130.7455. Let us again put here a horizontal line. So X, we need the column X minus X bar. Okay. So this is equal to our X, 120 minus, where is our mean? At the bottom, 130.7455. So it is located at P59, cell P59. So press enter. Okay, so there you go, negative 10.7455. Now I'm simply going to duplicate this formula. However, if I duplicate this formula now, the computer will automatically adjust P59. P59. Okay, the location of our mean. No? The computer will make this P60. We do not want to do that because the mean is not going anywhere. It is located at cell P59. So I'm going to make the row absolute. So I'm going to prefix it with a $sign. Okay. So look at the formula bar. We have P54 minus $59. So I can now duplicate. Okay. Then I'm going to perform an exponentiation of X minus X bar squared. Now, what I have typed is just a label. It's not a formula. It will not be computed by the computer. Okay? So let us put the actual formula. So I'm going to square negative 10.7455. So it is located at Q4, then square. The exponent is 2. So I'm squaring Q4. Okay, so I'm simply going to duplicate. Okay. And then, oops. When I duplicated the formula, the computer erased some of the horizontal bars. Okay, so I'm going to sum up all the squared deviations. So sum of all of these square deviations. Okay? So, sum of all those values in R4 up to R58. Then press enter. So, we have 1612.44. So, I'm going to calculate the standard deviation. So, I'm going to place a label. I'm going to right align the label. I'm going to calculate now the standard deviation. The standard deviation is equal to the square root of the sum of the square deviations located at R59 divided by n minus 1. N minus 1. So, our n is equal to 55. Okay? So, n minus 1 is 54. So, enter. So, we have 18.56542. Let us compare this value with what we got using the built-in formula. 18.57. Okay, so 18.57. Well, that's a rounded off number. So it is actually 18.5654. So this is what we got using the built-in Excel formula. And when we did the computation manually, we got 18.56542. So the same. Okay? So in fact, Excel is using this technique. Okay? The actual definition of the standard deviation in order to calculate, okay, the return value for this built-in function, stdev. Okay? Now, how about if you want to calculate the median? The median. So, if you want to calculate the median, we need to sort the values. So, I'm going to copy the values in another cell. Okay? So, I'm going to copy here. Okay? So, I'm going to sort the scores, the 55 scores. The 55 scores in descending order. So we have in your data in your spreadsheet application, you have the data. What do you call this? Data menu or ribbon, and then you have the data. Then you have the sort button. Sort largest to smallest. Okay, so the largest is 175. Next is 165. Down to the lowest, the minimum is 100. So these scores are actually sorted. Okay? So, we're going to perform a ranking. No, let us place this rank. Rank from below. Okay. So this is below and this is above. So I'm going to merge the two cells. So this is rank. So capitalize below, capitalize above. So rank. Okay? So if we're going to start from below, this will be our 1, this will be our 2. Then I'm going to select both cells, 1 and 2. Then use the fill handle. Copy upward. Okay? Then, if we're going to rank from above, so the first score is our number 1, the second score is our number 2. I'm going to select the two cells, the two ranks, then use the fill handle, copy downward. Okay. Oops, the computer also duplicated the horizontal line. Let us remove those excess lines. I'm going to remove the excess lines. Okay, so what is the median? The median is calculated okay, let us determine the rank. For the median. So the rank above. What is our rank above? So it is equivalent to 55. So is equals to 55 divided by 2. We are going to round this up. So the actual rank is 28. Okay? So rank of the median from below is the same. Is equal to number of scores, number of values, or the sample size divided by 2. Rank this up. Round this up. So this is 28. Notice that when we round off positions, we round upward. So 27, anything in excess of 27 becomes 28. So the actual median, let us place this. Let us type here actual median. So the actual median, okay, from above is the 28. The 28 value. So from above, so where is our number 28? So it is 131. So from below, so this from below, 28, where is our 28 item? So 131. So 131. Okay? So the median is the average of the medians that you got, okay, by ranking the scores from above and the median, okay, that you got by ranking the scores from below. So you have 131 and 131, both 131. What is the average of that? So is equal to 131 plus 131 divided by 2. Now, you can also get the, for example, the third quartile. So let us calculate the third quartile. So what is the rank or position of the third quartile? Okay, from above. Okay, so from above, the third quartile is located at position n over 4. N over 4. So is equals to 55 divided by 4. So if we round up the position, it becomes 14. Round up again. Round up. So it becomes 14. So what is the 14th? What is the 14th score or value from above? So 14 from above. So we have 144. Okay. So from below, so the third quartile is located at 3n over 4. 3 times n over 4, or 3 times 55 divided by 4. So it is located at 41.25. Round that up. It becomes 42. Round up. So what is the 42nd item from below? So let us start from below. So from below, 47. No, 42nd. So, the 42nd item is, yan, 144. Okay? So, the same. So, we're going to get the average of these two Q3s. 144 and 144. So, is equal to 144 plus 144 divided by 2. It just happened that in my data set, okay, this set of 55 scores, we have the same what? We got the same quartiles, no? When we rank the scores from above and also from below. Same for the median. Okay? But I have demonstrated the techniques. Okay? Now, how about if you want to calculate the skewness? Skewness is 3 times the mean minus the median over standard deviation. So, all you have to do is to calculate those other statistics. Okay? So, to calculate, for example, the kurtosis, you need the P90, P10. Okay? You need to calculate Q3, Q1. Okay? Then, simple computations. Okay? So, there you go. We have calculated or determined the basic or common statistics for a data set. A good day.